For this very easy wide leg pants, we first need the total length, that is 37, plus I add the 4 inches, all measurement in centimeters, or also you can see on the screen. See, this is a 4/4 fabric, the open side towards me, and that is the closed side on the other side. And first I'm going to mark here the 2 inches or 5 centimeter for the elastic, and this is very easy tutorial, even absolute beginners can follow for this beautiful pants, and very comfortable style, especially in summer. So first I just mark here the waistline. You can see the measurement on the screen, and now I'm just marking here the crotch line, and after that this is the hip line, that I just add the 2 inches more in the waistline, and after that I will mark the hemline. And this all these measurements are for standard medium size, so you can make a very comfortable style of your pants. So now I'm just marking here for the hemline. Again, it totally depends on your choice, if you want very loose or very wide hem. So here I just take it 12 inches and just join this line, and all seam ounces are included, and now it's time to cut. And guys, if you are interested to learn more detailed fitted type of pants and how to take the measurement on all these things, you can check different videos on my channel. I already uploaded a professional way of cutting the secret pant, fitted pajama, and all these videos you can check on my playlist. And if you are first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so every time I will upload a video you will get the notification. So here for the front only I need to cut 2 inches or 5 centimeter, because always our front is less than our back side. So that's how I will cut. This is 2 piece now, and now it's time to stitch the crotch. First I will stitch from the crotch, and see this line you have to stitch, but obviously put the right side of the fabric on the right side, so you will get your stitching on the wrong side. That's how. And actually you have to mark also on the wrong side, but for video purpose only I put my fabric on the right side. So now it's time to stitch only this crotch line. So guys, if this video is useful for you, please don't forget to hit the like button. So our crotch line is stitched. Now we need to stitch this leg first from one side and till your crotch, and after that from the other side and stitch till your crotch. And also stretch a little your fabric while you are stitching your legs part, because otherwise when you use your pants it will the stitch will break. So give it a little stretch while stitching. It's a tip for you. So now it's time to put the elastic. So I just take my elastic 4 inches less than my actual waist, and after that I just stitch here, and now just mark the center back also and the size of your elastic as well. Now I will put my elastic with the pins on my this pants, so that while I will stitch it will easy for me. So I just mark here also the sides. Now just attach sides of your elastic with the sides and center with the center. See, that's how. Just fold a little and then pin up it. And obviously when you will stitch, you need to stretch your elastic so that it will fit according to your fabric.